Tango just launched Workflow Branching to help teams follow complex, nonlinear processes. This new feature lets creators define conditional paths right inside the SOP, and your team can choose which path is most relevant for them as they follow along. One Tango, every path, zero confusion. Let me show you how it works. You start by capturing your workflow the way you normally would. Launch the Tango extension, select Capture, and go through the first path in your process. For example, here I'm going to create a Tango that shows how to add a contact to our CRM manually. I complete the process, and when I'm done, I click the green check mark, and Tango will automatically create my document. But what if I also want to show my team how to create contacts by importing them? Rather than creating a second Tango, I'll create a branch in the workflow. To start, you'll find the point in your process where you want to insert the branch and click the Add icon and select Add a Decision Point. This now creates a branch for us and we can name each branch. I'll call Path A Create a New Contact and Path B Import Contacts. Then I click Capture More Steps and select the tab I want to start on. You can see the Tango has taken me back to my CRM, and then I'll just need to navigate to where I want the second branch to start. From here, I will capture the alternate path of importing contacts, and Tango will capture all my steps for me. When I'm done, I click the green check mark, and now you can see I have two distinct paths for my users to follow. In this case, I actually want all the steps I captured first to be part of branch A, so I'm going to click and drag them into that branch. So let's see what it looks like when someone from my team follows my process with Tango's Guide Me feature. I'll click Preview and Guide Me. I'll follow the Tango, and now when I get to the step where I decide if I'm going to create a contact or import one, I see this awesome window that shows me the two paths I can choose from. And now I pick the option that's most relevant for what I'm trying to accomplish. Whichever path you choose, Tango will guide your team through the appropriate steps to complete the process. Workflow branching lets you build an SOP that handles every path by role, scenario, or condition. If you're a Tango Enterprise user, you can start building branch workflows today. Or if you're interested in learning more, click the link in the description below to talk with our sales team. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Tango updates. I'm Mark. Let's Tango.